What's up guys, here we go, Open Class Frog Pro 2024, and over here first call out, Shibam was the first call, Sean and Martin, and the rest the two more. So let me see guys the condition of Shibam. There's so many rumors Shibam not beating Martin, but we look front double bicep, Chris Bumstead more improved from classic physique, look more with his frame than Martin. Look guys a little bit off from the Mr. Olympia, as well Sean Correda. So let we say if Chris beating Martin, no way Martin gonna be second, Chris gonna be win. This is more exciting competition Frog Pro because of Chris Bumstead, and he more improvement, and he challenge himself if he can beating Open Class. So right now he can do door open for him, so lot front lot. Chris was so wide than Martin, look, so that we can see Chris beating even Sean Correda, the small terrible, but he was good beating the rest. He gonna be maybe third, second Martin, first Bumstead. That we sure. This is pre-judging Open Class guys, so continuous watching, comment below section if Chris Bumstead beating Martin. So side chest posing of Chris Bumstead was so good than Martin. Look more open up his chest, his shoulder, his arm, his serratos. So show all. This is first we can see the side chest because we cannot see Chris Bumstead side chest. And now guys look, change the position by Sean and Martin. Why Chris stay ball in the middle? So here we go, we can look back double bicep. Martin was, we can say, Open Class already, and he was a port and Mr. Olympia the time, but now he was second because a little bit off guys condition, the best guys for open. But let we can see the back of Chris Bumstead, the detail not so thick, but the detail as a Open Class he can beat Martin. Even Sean Correda, he was good. Now we can see this back open, so even the glutes of hamstring Chris Bumstead, let we can say only 1 point, but the detail condition of guys, so we can see the condition of Chris Bumstead. I think Martin was very confident because he was open and he was fourth Mr. Olympia, but everything changed if you not maintain your condition in 1 day, 1 hour, 4 weeks guys. Even Chris Bumstead's 4 weeks he can change up 8 to 10 pounds. Look how much more if he was more time to get condition. So we can see guys this posing, who can beat, who can win. Chris was so good and changed the posing over here. Wow, this is bodybuilding post. This is bodybuilding posing. And classic physique, abdominal. Chris, he was always like this because he was the waistline very small waistline. That's why vacuum he always doing this. Maybe so far he can change the position of the posing for bodybuilder, but he was good. Look, the both lots of Martin and Sibam, more improved Sibam. So was so good, guys, was so good. Yes, most muscular, different version. Yes, step forward the one legs of Martin, but Chris, look the chest of Chris Bumstead. He was okay, let we say this is bodybuilder, this is open class, this is we talk about the muscle size. But look, I can beating you. Why? Big Ramy, more size, more muscle. Why not he win? Because of the condition, guys. It's not about the more muscular, more muscle of your frame. The frame is condition. So thank you for your watching, guys. I hope you like. Please subscribe. This is a wrap up video from Frog 4 Men's Open. So this is prejudging, guys, only prejudging. We can change after tomorrow final, but in this position we all know. In the prejudging, guys, in my final comment, if the competitor stay put in the middle, it means he's a big point together with Sean and Martin. Why not put in the middle if he was good condition? So what you think, guys? This is my final opinion reaction this video. So it, let we see tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Over here, free posing, guys. Observe the detail of Chris Bumstead, how he have size, and this is a pre posing for can show all your condition, your size, how good you are, the best condition. So this is the final judges until tomorrow. They cannot change position of Chris Bumstead, always in the middle. Can change maybe if condition of Chris Bumstead, if not make more improvement, but in every hour, how many hours? 12 hours can change, guys. Rhomboid is over there. He don't want let to down condition the best. You know, he's a legend coach. That's why Bumstead more a bit like more confidence based on training conditions. So thank you for your watching, guys. I hope you like, subscribe and comment.